Welcome to the Road Universe channel, your go-to spot for the best-selling car accessories on Amazon. To all our new subscribers, thank you. And if you haven't joined us yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss our latest finds. Failing emissions can be stressful, but the right tools can make all the difference. Today, we're checking out the top Amazon accessories that can help your car run cleaner, smoother, and inspection-ready in no time. Number 10. 2.5-inch inlet outlet. Catalytic converter. Universal high flow. 2 pieces. Number 9. Exhaust back pressure. Tester kit with carrying case. Number 8. Set of 4. Up O2. Sensor upstream downstream replacement. Number 7. CRC guaranteed to pass emissions. Test formula, 12 fluid ounce.
Money at the pump. Add the entire bottle of CRC guaranteed to pass to your gas tank before filling up with fuel. This ensures the product is mixed well with the fuel. Fill your tank with gas. Drive your vehicle as usual until the tank is nearly empty. Refill with gasoline, and your vehicle is ready to pass the state emissions test. CRC guaranteed to pass cleans the entire fuel system for easier starts, faster acceleration, and noticeable improvements in power and performance. Don't risk failing your emissions test. Plan ahead and avoid the hassle and added costs of a retest. Add CRC guaranteed to pass to at least 1 tank of fuel before you test. Guaranteed means guaranteed. Pass your emission tests or get double your purchase price back from CRC.
Number 6. Rislone 4720. Cat Complete Fuel, Exhaust and Emissions System Cleaner, 16.9 ounces.
Are you dealing with a check engine light that won't go away or a failed emissions test? There are many reasons you can get a check engine light or fail to pass a smog test. Some of the most common reasons have to do with your catalytic converter. Now, hopefully you know what that is. If you don't, the catalytic converter, sometimes called the catalyst or CAT, is an emission control device mounted in the vehicle exhaust system which converts toxic pollutant gases into less harmful gases. As fuel is burned, contaminating byproducts are created that get circulated throughout various vehicle components. These systems are designed to be able to handle this process during most normal engine operation. However, the use of poor quality fuel, short driving distance, cold weather, improper maintenance, and component failure can greatly increase the amount of contamination and deposits inside these systems. Over time, the catalytic converter can get clogged up, causing it to have issues for your vehicle. This leads to reduced engine power, poor fuel economy, hard starting, stalling, and more. If you're dealing with a check engine light, your catalytic converter could be why. Likewise, many states require an emissions test, which you could fail if the converter is clogged. And speaking of check engine lights, many auto parts stores will actually give you a free diagnostic code reading if your check engine light is stuck on. Some of the most common codes you might get back from that reading are P0420, which is actually the most common, P0421, P0430, and P0431. This is why our new Rislone Cat Complete is the product to go to when you have these symptoms. Clogged catalytic converter? Got you covered. Check engine light stuck on and you can't tell why? We got your back there too. So chances are we can help, and it sure beats having to replace a catalytic converter, which is going to cost you thousands of dollars. Cat Complete Fuel, Exhaust, and Emissions System Cleaner has high-performing detergents and heavy-duty cleaning solvents. It effectively removes contaminants like soot, carbon buildup, and residue from the fuel injectors, combustion chambers, turbo, EGR, catalytic converters, oxygen sensors, and the exhaust system. These detergents, with other active chemical agents, react with the gases created in the combustion process to remove the remaining inorganic deposits. This process restores function and, with regular use, about every 5,000 miles or so, maintains efficiency of those systems and helps avoid expensive repair bills. In fact, we believe so strongly in this product that we are willing to provide a money-back guarantee. If you use the product correctly and it doesn't clear the check engine light, we will give you the money back.
Number 5. DuraLube Severe Catalytic and Exhaust Treatment Cleaner. Fuel additive, 16 fluid ounces.
Finally, DuraLube has come out with a severe catalytic and exhaust cleaner that protects the cat from oil poisons. In most cases, this cleaner can actually turn off the warning light and clean the sensors. You can even use it as a pre-treatment for an emissions test. So before you spend thousands of dollars replacing a catalytic converter, pour in a bottle of DuraLube Severe Catalytic and Exhaust Cleaner.
Number 4. 3 pieces. Catalytic Converter Cleaner. Number 3. Cataclean Fuel and Exhaust System Cleaner.
Pop, pour, and go with Cataclean from Mr. Gasket. Reduce total hydrocarbon emissions by almost 50% to run stronger and cleaner. Lower emissions and increase performance with Mr. Gasket Cataclean.
Number 2. Ansel AD 410 Enhanced OBD2 Scanner. Number 1. Blue Driver, Bluetooth Pro, OBD. 2. Scan Tool for iPhone and Android.
Scan tool that lets you scan and understand your vehicles. Blue Driver is the tool professionals use to save time and money. When you scan your vehicle with Blue Driver, not only will you get the trouble codes, but you'll get a list of all the possible causes and reported fixes. Blue Driver is simple to use. Just purchase the Blue Driver sensor, download the free app, plug the sensor into your OBD2 port, and pair it with your device via Bluetooth. That's it. You've got everything you need, and there's nothing extra to buy, ever. See how easy it is to scan and read the trouble codes? Then when the issue is fixed, use Blue Driver to turn the check engine light off. With Blue Driver, you can view live data of your vehicle's engine, charging and cooling systems. Check to see if you'll pass the smog check. You can also perform enhanced diagnostics and read and clear airbag, transmission, ABS, and other module codes. Blue Driver, built and supported by a team of professional engineers in North America. It's the portable wireless scan tool professionals trust most. Get Blue Driver today and experience the pro power of being able to scan and understand your vehicle.
Hey there! Got a suggestion for my next video? Drop it in the comments. Your ideas drive this channel. See you in the comments.
Stay updated on Amazon's best automotive products and viral finds. Click subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss out on our latest video.